Hello friends, in this video I am going to evaluate the product of this expression 1 minus 1 over 2 square times 1 minus 1 over 3 square times 1 minus 1 over 4 square and so on, and the last term is 1 minus 1 over 2011 square. When you see this expression, the each term inside the bracket is the formula of a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. I'm going to apply the formula. Our formula is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Apply this formula on each term inside the bracket and our expression is equal to a plus b, which is 1 plus 1 over 2, 1 plus 1 over 2, and the next is a minus b, which is 1 minus 1 over 2. The first term finished, and now the next term is 1 plus 1 over 3, 1 minus 1 over 3, and the next term is 1 plus 1 over 4, 1 minus 1 over 4, and so on. And the last term is 1 plus 1 over 2011 and 1 minus 1 over 2011. Now I am rearranging this whole expression, just combining the terms with the plus signs and combining the terms with the minus signs separately. Now first of all I am combining with the term containing the plus sign. This is 1 plus 1 over 2. The next term is 1 plus 1 over 3, and the next term is 1 plus 1 over 4, which is 1 plus 1 over 4, and the last term is 1 plus 1 over 2011, which is 1 plus 1 over 2011. Now the term containing the minus sign, the first term is 1 minus 1 over 2, the next term is 1 minus 1 over 3, and the next term is 1 minus 1 over 4, and so on, and the last term is 1 minus 1 over 2011. Now calculate the sum inside the bracket. This will equal to, when you take the LCM, this will become 2 plus 1, which is 3 over 2. This is 3 plus 1, which is 4 over 3. The next term is 5 over 4, and so on. Then the last term is 2011 plus 1, which is 2012 over 2011. This is the expression with the term containing the plus sign. Now the term containing the minus sign. This is 1 minus 1 over 2. This is 2 minus 1, which is 1 over 2. And the next term is 2 over 3, which is 3 minus 1 over 3. And the next term is 4 minus 1, which is 3 over 4. And the last term is 2011 minus 1, which is 2010 over 2011. When you cancel all the terms, this 3 will cancel with this 3, this 4 will cancel with this 4, and this 5 will cancel the term next, and 2011 will cancel the term before this term. The only left with 2 and 2011, and the next term is this 2 will cancel with this 2, and this 3 will cancel with this 3, and this 4 will cancel with this 4, and 2010 will cancel with 2010 with the term before this term, and we have left with only 2012 over 2, and rest of the term have been cancelled. And in this expression we only left with 1 over, because all the terms been cancelled, only left with 1 on the numerator, and the denominator is 2011. When you cancel this term 2012, this will cancel 1006, which is 1006. So now multiply 1006 with 1, this will become 1006 over 2011, and this is our answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.